Hey everyone, welcome back to Agapello. Today we are making this easiest and cutest crochet scrunchie ever, perfect for beginners and a great stash buster project. So let's start it. So here's the material you will need today to make a scrunchie. We are going to start by attaching our yarn to the hair tie with a slip knot. Insert your hook, pull the yarn through and chain one just to secure it. And now add one more chain. We will single crochet all around the hair tie. So we are going to single crochet all the way around, covering the elastic completely. I feel like this is the perfect project for watching a show or listening to some music or a podcast. When I crochet, my mind just chills. It's like crochet therapy, right? And I love scrunchies because even if the stitches aren't perfect, the ruffles hide everything. And if you are a beginner, this is your best friend. Well, comment below, do you wear scrunchie on your wrist too? Because I always forget they are in my hair and I try to find them everywhere. So comment below and let me know where do you wear your scrunchies. And yeah, keep pushing the stitches close together. The more stitches you squeeze in, the fluffier your scrunchie gets. And we love fluffy. So keep single crocheting. Let's do few more single crochets. So our row 1 is almost complete. Now we will do slip stitch into this V where we did our first single crochet. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through this loop and then chain 3. Now we will start our row 2, and our row 2 is the princess moment. We will make ruffles. So we are doing 3 double crochet in every stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through first 2, pull through last 2. Like this, we will do 3 double crochet in each of the stitch, and if you want more drama you can add 4 double crochets. So you can see how satisfying this is. It literally transforms in seconds. And honestly, this is my favorite part. Just looping around and seeing the scrunchy form, it's magical. And if you are making these to sell, these fly off at markets. So our round 2 with ruffles is almost complete. You can see the scrunchies looking so cute. And now let's do our last stitch, which is a 3 double crochet in one stitch. Second double crochet and our last third double crochet. And now we'll do slip stitch to close our ruffle round right here. And after a slip stitch, let's do chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now we will add a little more drama, but first look at this ruffle. This is looking so cute. Oh my god, I can make millions of these crunchies. So now let's go to our next round. So I'm using white yarn and we will pull a loop the white yarn. You can insert your hook in any of these stitches. Insert your hook and pull up a loop, secure the end, and now we'll do chain 2. We will add chain 2 and then skip one stitch into the next. We will work one single crochet while securing the end. One single crochet and then chain 2, 1 and 2. Again skip one stitch to the next opening, insert your hook, work one single crochet, then chain 2, again skip one single crochet and chain 2. Like this, repeat the process till the end. And now let's do our last slip stitch and then chain 1. Now cut this yarn and hide the tail. So our scrunchie is almost complete, but let's wave the tail first. Insert your hook into these one single crochets and pull it out to hide it and to make it secure. Okay, so after hiding the tail, let's cut off the excess and now give our ruffle a good shape like this. And here she is, our cute and squishy crochet scrunchie. So easy and so fun, and now you can make one for every outfit. Thank you for crocheting with me today, and if you make your own scrunchie, tag me. I wanna see your colors. Like, comment your favorite yarn color, and don't forget to subscribe for more cozy crochet crafts. Till then, see you!